Today I'm getting ready for our trip to the Oregon coast for the 4th of July. Morning everyone, it is early, well at least for me, and if you watch my previous videos you know that 9 a.m. it's pretty early for me. I am running to Costco as it opens because I want to go grab some things. Today I'm getting ready for our trip to the Oregon coast for the 4th of July. It is a day filled with packing and planning, and some people enjoy that stuff. So yeah, alright, I'm at Costco. This is my first time vlogging in public, so I might be a little awkward. But we'll see. I have my mask on, and it's already crowded, of course. Well, so much for vlogging. My hair's a mess because it's raining. It's raining outside. I did not vlog anything in there because it was crowded, and it's hard to push a massive cart by yourself and try to do that at the same time. So I'm gonna go to Target now. So I'm gonna see what they have, and I also want to get some disinfecting sprays and wipes if they have them, and that's it. Alright, Target run is done. I ended up not getting anything from the beauty section. I'm just gonna get what I want from iTough. And I got some disinfecting wipes and spray, all cheaper than what I would have paid if I went to Costco. I got, they're limiting it to one, but I got disinfecting spray and wipes, all for less than what I would have paid if I would have bought the Lysol spray at Costco. So definitely worth that. But yeah, now I'm headed home. Show you what I got. I got one case of Truly. This was a really good deal. It's 30 for $29, and that made it 99 cents a can. And this is 36 for $23.99, which made it 66 cents a can. So these are what we're bringing for the weekend. And then I also got a 40-pack of water for $2.99, just to make sure everybody's staying hydrated. But that was a really good price. So I just went shopping for our trip, and I've been asked by some people to go through what I get. So this is one of my favorite bags, and I only use this at our wholesaler grocery because they still allow us to bring bags, whereas Trader Joe's no longer allows you to do that. So this is the product I love. This is by ThirtyOne. I actually don't think this company exists anymore, which is a bummer, but I have a matching bag to go with this, and I pack all of the stuff we bring for the weekend in this bag. So what did I buy? Exciting stuff. Well, I live with my significant other who loves these, and they're really easy breakfast, so I usually bring something like that for us. We're gonna have sandwiches, so cheese slices. I got some raw shrimp. One of our favorite snacks. This is actually something we're not bringing, but just to have, like, we love these vegetarian chicken nuggets. And then we did get a sausage, German style sausage for the weekend. I'm making grilled shrimp tacos one night. So this is for the sauce. That's Greek yogurt. Standard sandwich making materials, so lettuce. The tacos are making their own slaw, so I need that. Pineapple for fruit. And then I'm making a cherry pie for the 4th of July. So I have cherries for that. And then again, just standard like vegetables, onions, cilantro because we're making tacos, avocados because it's a taco, the base is made with that. And then lemon, lime, turkey for those who eat turkey. I always get a big bag of onions, because who doesn't eat onions? And then finally a cucumber, because I like cucumbers. Sandwiches. Literally it's just cucumber, lettuce, cheese, like all the things you would make with a normal sandwich, but I use cucumber instead. But yeah, so that's what we got for main food wise, and then I'll show you what we got for dry goods. I have hot dog buns, chips, tortilla chips. I got 2 different kinds of chips. I need this raw sugar to sprinkle on top of the pie. I think I'm just gonna get a little bit though, so I'm not gonna take that out. And then corn tortillas, and that's, oh, and some olive oil, and then popcorn, and then I need the salt for me. And that's it. So I'll pack all this stuff up. I'm gonna make the pie filling, and the shrimp I'm gonna marinate before we leave. So then that stuff is all ready to go. So one thing I did not do last time was bring any Tupperware containers. So we make a lot of food and there's always a lot of leftovers, and I hate wasting food. I actually would prefer to save it. So I'm gonna bring some Tupperware with me for this trip so that we actually can save all the food that we don't eat. This is the pie recipe I'm making. I can link it below. It's Sally's Baking Addiction, can't read. It looks really good. I'm gonna do something similar, but I think I'm gonna do a flag pattern for the 4th of July. Alright, it's been a while. I clearly don't have any makeup on because I took a shower and washed my face, and it's already pretty late at night. I just got to like doing my nails, so I did my nails really quick, and then now I have to still pack, and then I have to pack all the electronics still. I got all the food prep done, so I'm probably have to wake up around 7:30 tomorrow morning, which is very early for me because I don't normally get up at 7:30 in the morning, so I can transfer files over before I leave, and then after that I have to, I don't even know what I have to do. Okay. Okay, I have to transfer files, and then I need to pack electronics and then get everything squared away so we can leave around 9. And I know the person I live with won't be awake until probably close to the time we have to leave. So I'm just gonna make a really small cup of chai tea and water. I don't know if I want chai tea. Basically, I'm gonna get some tea, and then I'm gonna pack my clothes, and then I'll pack all the other stuff tomorrow morning. I just ramble late at night. Got out the suitcases. This is one of my favorite suitcases. I used to be a really big Travel Pro fan. I still am. And then My Travel Pro shell cracked like right here, and I need a new one. So I bought this one, and it's by Storybook, I believe it's called. It's called Open Story. It says right there. These are from Target. You're probably like, oh, Target. Why would you buy a suitcase from Target? I know, but I really love this bag. So I was comparing bags because I wanted an away bag, but I couldn't like justify the cost of an away bag. And one thing that bothers me that away doesn't have is it doesn't have an extendable piece. I'm paying $225 for a bag that doesn't even extend. Are you kidding me? Like, I don't know. And then like the interior, it doesn't, I don't know. The interior of this bag is amazing. So this is my suitcase. I also like the flex handle just like Away does, and it has a really nice heavy, smooth handle. And then the wheels are Japanese. They're Hitonomo. Sorry, I said that wrong. Hinomoto, Japan. This is the carry-on weekender that they have, which is super roomy. Hold on, let's see if I can open it. Has a bunch of compartments, has like a laptop compartment, a nice front compartment. The compartments are also like sealed with like a soft material so that it doesn't scratch any of your stuff. And the other thing I got was this case. So Away did this too, where they made these like little mini flex cases. And I bought one of those too. So I literally have the whole like matching set, and I wanted a black bag because this was black, but I really like the sage green because it almost has that like black, like our car's like Nardo gray. It's like that mattified, like dull looking color, but it looks really nice. So yeah, this is my favorite suitcase. I highly recommend this brand if you guys are at Target and you're looking for a new carry-on. This is your bag. So basically I have all the clothes together. I don't have the like all the equipment I need to bring, but I have all the clothes. So because it's the Oregon coast, it will be cooler. So these are the shoes I'm bringing because basically we're just staying in a house. I've had those Sanuks for years, and these are Sean's flip-flops, and he just wears sneakers, and then I just interchange between comfy shoes, and like these are also comfortable, but I interchange between the two. And then I have like sweater and a sweatshirt. I know I overpacked. The place is a hot tub, so I have 2 bathing suits that I just got. One of my favorite Life is Good hats. I really like this one because of the anchor, and I like to cruise a lot, so this is one I like to wear on the cruises. Some shorts, short sleeve shirts, a dress, and then some pants. And then I also have 2 of my favorite Life is Good shirts. And then I'm bringing one of my favorite sweatshirts from LL Bean. And then I'm bringing another one, so I'm going to bring 2. The other one is this one. It's another one of my favorites. I like that color. It's another LL Bean. So bringing 2 LL Bean sweatshirts. They're really nice and thick on the outside and warm on the inside. I'm bringing our own beach towels. These are the only ones I have. They're not very attractive because I don't really, normally the only time I'm going to a beach is at a resort or on a cruise, and they have towels, so I never bring towels anywhere. So he's like the only beach towels I have. And then for Sean, I have one of his favorite Burton sweatshirts. I totally recommend this Burton sweatshirt if you guys can ever find one. They are amazing. They have like an exterior that is like a jacket, but the interior is fleece. So he wears this a lot when he snowboards, but he also just likes to wear it like any day. So it was one of the best purchases I've ever made. And then this is just a standard purple sweatshirt. A bunch of t-shirts for him, a couple long sleeves in there, and then 2 pairs of swim trunks, some shorts and pants and comfy shorts and all that kind of good stuff. So that's for him. And then I already picked out what I'm going to wear, which is basically what I wore the last time. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it here, when we went to the Hood Canal. But basically just a long cardigan, jeans, and then like some nice sandals. These are the things I bring, like just standard toiletries. This is just a small brush I always bring whenever I travel because it fits everywhere, and then I always put my headbands on them, like a teenager because it's just easier. And these are my 2 favorite Lululemon scrunchies, so I like to bring those. And then I have my new hair ties, the standard Up and Up facial wipes. I don't know why. I've tried like I've tried Burt's Bees, and like nothing removes makeup as good as these. I don't know why. One of my favorite body butters, the Body Shop. This is my favorite body butter, so I have a travel size one. So I always refill this actually. Another aromatherapy lotion. One of my favorite Tory Burch travel size perfumes. And then I have Sean's Vince Camuto, like a little travel size one. And then body spray for him. And then lip care because my lips dry out all the time. This is my absolute 100 most favorite sunscreen ever. I know a lot of people like different products. I cannot use spray on sunscreen because I break out and I get a terrible rash because of the chemicals. So this is the one I found. I like Neutrogena, but I love this one more. This is Alba Botanical Soothing Sunscreen, and it smells like lavender. It is awesome. This is my favorite. Dry shampoo, argan oil for my hair, 2 different, one face wash and one face lotion, anti-aging cream, travel size, deodorant, you know. One of my favorite face screens by Sunbum. This is a clear zinc facial sunscreen because I don't like to use real sunscreen on my face. I like to use face sunscreen on my face. This is just toothbrush stuff. I always bring travel size toothbrush stuff. A Febreze, and then I keep my soaps in this, so I actually don't travel with standard shampoos and stuff. I travel with hard shampoos and hard conditioners, and I also travel with hard soaps and hard face soaps. This is actually another face soap. It's a tea tree face soap, and this is a moisturizing body wash. And then these are by The Basin, which is one of my favorite companies that does dry shampoo. This is a dry shampoo and dry conditioner, and they smell awesome. But these are really great. I'm also personally changing to more hard shampoos just because they're eco-friendly. So I just always have these really nice travel cases, and I like them because, excuse how dirty it is. I like them because you take them out and you can like set them right in the shower and just set your stuff right on it. So this is really a great one. And I got like 4 of these from Amazon. So I like to keep these around for my shampoo. I just, nice and then I put everything always in like a Clinique bag like this because I can just all fit it there. So I'm going to fill that with all this stuff because it holds so much. And that's usually all I travel with. And then I have my makeup, but I always pack that the day I leave. So